If the constant digital hum has you wired, let's hit reset using the oldest tech you own, your senses. Sight and sound first. Try a visual anchor. Pick one object in your space, a mug, a leaf, or a window frame. Trace its edges with your eyes. Notice color. Notice shadow. Notice texture. Name 3 details silently. Feel your breath match what you see, slow and steady. Next, soundscapes. Choose one: gentle rain, brown noise, or ocean waves. Listen for layers. Mid, background. Count them. As you exhale, soften your shoulders. Here's a 2-minute mini meditation. 30 seconds on your visual anchor. 30 seconds on layered sound. 30 seconds. Breath in for 4, out for 6. 30 seconds to sit with the calm you built. Here are some other tips. Find one tense spot and press, stretch, or wiggle it for 10 seconds. Aromatherapy, citrus, lavender, or eucalyptus. 1 deep inhale, slow exhale. Design a sensory sanctuary. Soft throw, a plant, warm light, a soundtrack. Find a hidden oasis. Sunlit corners, quiet stairwells, parked cars. Make a pocket kit. Earplugs, a scent roller, mint gum, a worry stone, a microfiber cloth. Create small moments in your day. Look up for color, take breaths with coffee, unclench your jaw in meetings. Go deeper with a weekly sensory walk. No podcasts, just noticing. Your action plan. Choose one visual anchor, one sound, and one item from your kit. Use them twice today. When life gets loud, return to your senses. That's your reset.